All right, blessed love to everybody where I follow my opinion. You know, this is DJ Blue, and as I said, subscribe to the channel. You can watch at least three different things on my channel, right? Because we do interviews with artists and we do my opinion. So today, my opinion is somewhat of fact sometimes, but I will always just address it as my opinion. So don't get me wrong. You understand me? You can always go and fact check whatever I said or whatever I'm saying to see if it makes sense to you. You have people who went to school, become doctor, lawyer, and all kind of stuff. And after them do them something, the common sense went through the window. You know what I mean? And it's like, what are all of the sense that you have? I think people should have common sense. And on that note, Jamaicans, black people, but may have to adjust what we know about or where we come from. You know what I mean? I'm African, though it's like you have black people where don't realize that they're African. Once a black, you're African youth. Seriously, you're African. If you're Jamaican and you're black, you're African. Some people always try to separate the two. No, me a Jamaican. Yes, you're a Jamaican, but you are from Africa. You understand me? Certain people, the Africans just the same. All of us are Africans. Some people don't get it, but that's a different topic for a different day. Now, I want to touch on the word freedom and why Jamaica. We're going to talk about specific stuff. As I said before, I'm going to stay in my country, in my own lane, And the word freedom, when we got emancipation and we got all these stuff and everything that we got, did we really get freedom? Or are we really free? Because if I am a slave master, yeah, and I know that I want you to stop killing my people, even though I am killing 20 million of your people, and you guys are killing only 2 of my people. 2 of my people is more important than 20 million of your people. You see? So them say, guess what? Let's give them freedom, because we don't want them to kill. You know? So I give them the word freedom. So I think we got the word freedom. And when we got the word freedom, they said, you can run around freely with this word. So when we got this word freedom, what else did we get? Because Jamaica resources, anything that made money, haven't turned over to the hands of the free slave or the free-minded slaves to this day. Have you thought about it? What did the slave masters give to the slaves? Did they give them a piece of land to go live and farm and a house? But did they give them any, did they say, okay, cool, have this sugar factory, Jamaica is your country, have it, take the sugar factory, take this factory, take that factory, take all the factories, take the estates. So now you have the wealth of the land, and now you're free to build your country. Did that happen at any point? I don't know, Just put it that way. I don't know. It's a question, and it's my opinion also, because I don't really know them. Just to say that. But did the wealth of the country was turned over? Was it turned over to the slaves, to the Negroes, to the people that was murdered and killed and tortured, and all these lovely words you can use, Was any of this turned over to them so they could get a fair chance of living. Fast forward now, that's way back in the past. Now, everyone is talking about Jamaica being sold out, Jamaica not getting better, them black people are not no sense, them just a sell out and them can't this and them can't. One bag of stuff. The economy now grow. How can you grow an economy? Yeah. Remember me, I eat that, just pretend to be no sense. And in my opinion. Yeah. So if you don't like my opinion, you can always leave something down in the comment area. Cost me, do whatever you want. But it's just for common sense. How can you grow an economy? Yeah, when a lot of the resources is not owned by the country because they never turn it over. So all of the wealth is going to the owner. From that time till now, all the wealth is being taken out and shipped out. And look, the government structure, yeah, it's owned by who? Just look, think about it, man. Yeah, just take a second and relax and think and say, but what go on, sir? You never got anything that made money, that they killed you for, that they enslaved you for. You got none of this. None of this. You never got. Yeah? For that, until now, they still own it. Check. Whatever you think you own, who owns it? Check it. You never get it. So you can't own it. But we are proud owners of what we don't have. Yeah. And then some people sit down, those high-class persons that are very educated, oh, they're selling out, and they speak in very big languages. Them use big words, them use all kind of terminology, and oh, them little dunks button, them downgrade and class, all kind of people. Right? And it's like themselves, either them know or them really stupid enough they don't know how Jamaica can become better if 90% of his resources and wealth is being taken out to China, to England, to all of the people that own it. Just do a little check now, man. All of the drink on our drink. Yeah? All of the buy on our buy, all eat on our eat. Who owns these stuff? Yeah? When they check on it now, we are going to say, oh, them sell out. Them never did sell out. We never owned it in the first place. You understand me? Now, you're going to touch on the next thing with you guys again, yeah? It's like when I hear a lot of people talk about, yeah, Jamaica now support Jamaican. Of course, Jamaica will support Jamaicans. Yeah? But you have to understand one thing, you have to look on the coin two sides, because the coin always have two sides, yeah? Now, me with $10 as a poor man, right? And me want to feed my family, and at $10 I have to feed my family. I'm used to go to Martam shop on the corner. Yeah? And I could go buy when we have to buy and stretch it $10 and make it work, you know? Now, when Mr. Chin come up the road, yeah? And Mr. Chin, when me my $10 can stop me also 1.5 months, me I go use common sense and say, yo, you know what? Me I go stop me also 1.5 months, you know, because me have to eat and me have to try make things work. So me I go boycott my place, yes, sir. My Tom or my Joe or anybody, me Susie when me used to buy from all long. Because me want make me thing grow more. Me Susie cannot sell at the price where Mr. Chinga sell at. She can't sell it as that. So this is where the problem come in, where to support our own become difficult. Yeah, because we try to do it. It's not like we're not doing it, but the price that we are selling at sometimes is much more than what Mr. Chin can sell it at. Now, who is the problem? Me as a consumer, where boycott my own people, or Mr. Chin, or the government that allow Mr. Chin to rape the economy and make sure say, yo, me I suffer. Not just we just think about it, we are reason, you know. Or me I reason with myself so you can see, and if you know, think what me has to make any kind of sense. Tell me. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how it go. Because if the government was for the country, as them always talk, why would you let an organization like that come in, or so much organization like that like them come in, yeah, and rape the economy, take all the wealth and bring it back to them country, bring back some of them uncle and family again and start up some more. You give them all kind of incentive to do it. Why you do it? Now, isn't there other way you could have do it? Make them come and own a place down a wharf. And Mr. John and Mr. Tom could have buy the stuff them cheap enough from them and sell it to them people and build up them community. When me hear you talk about crime and them something, yeah, so look at it. Are you seeing what I'm saying as yet? Are you understand? Yeah? It's difficult, yeah? Food for thought, man. Think about it a little bit. And when you think about it, leave a comment and say me make any kind of sense. Tell me. If me not make no sense, tell me also. Follow me on IG at teamblueentertainment.com, at Team Entertainment. Follow me on Facebook at Team Blue Entertainment or djblue.right. Or you can pop over to the website at teamblueentertainment.com. Show some support, grab yourself a merch, do. But remember what the discussion just now. Think about it and looking at your surrounding and notice a lot. Just notice. Leave a comment. People, my God, you're deaf. My God.